Where are we going?
Hi. To some park. Singapore. The bus dropped us off and we just have to walk. The whole thing technically is the wetland reserve, but there's a certain entrance for people. We get in there. Oh, calm down. What are you gonna do? Crocodile meat for sale. Y'all look nasty. Bye. We are in an older part of Singapore, closer to the Malaysian border, right by the river. And we're discovering a lot today. I mean, the bus dropped us off. We have to walk for 1.5 plus kilometers. And then there's a crocodile farm.
Still a good way though. Kingfisher, cardinal, skipper, dragonfly.
And we're only down here.
Oh, we've got 2 hours. Mangrove boardwalk. We'll do that.
Yeah. A little mini museum just showing you what's around. And maybe there's, oh, those are just offices. We're gonna get some water and then head out. I'll check out the girls' one. Oh, this is nice. Your urinals are facing out?
Yeah, there's no one here. Just around the corner.
Oh, this is nice. He's coming up. Hey, Mr. Lizard. Can I just point out that last week they found a crocodile over here? So if we see one, that'll be pretty cool because it'll be the first time I'd see a crocodile in nature. Makes things interesting now. And then earlier we saw a crocodile farm and you can buy crocodile meat. Made me so sad. And the whole way beside it just smelled like carcasses. It was so gross.
Don't fall in. Don't get eaten by a croc. Because I'm not getting in after you.
And that'd be gone.
Yep. Turn around.
Lose all
From here to there, how far would you say that is? Like 900 meters? Nearly.
About a kilometer, maybe.
About a kilometer of a swim, and there's Malaysia. But because apparently there are crocodiles in this water, so they say, it would deter people from trying to come across. Just imagine the real estate difference between those apartments and right across the river. Unimaginable. But anyway, that's called Johor Bahru.